Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Slither.io. Let's get started. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and we'll bring out some more awesome videos, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway for New Year's. The giveaway is going to be a PS5, an iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple Watch Ultra, and iPad Pro. Let's get started. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my god. No, I died. I died. I'm sorry about the background, guys. Give me 1 second. Alright. We're back. We're gonna play again. Okay. Alright. Okay, so our maximum is try to get like 200 maybe. Let's try not to die. And oh dang, why is he so fast? Let's try to get him. Oh. Okay, we're just try to get longer. No. Okay. It's okay, we got 54 though. Oh my god. What the flip? No. Bro. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so we're back again. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're green, like this dude right here. Hello. We go fast. Okay. So with this game is we're not gonna try to die, because if we are, I'm gonna be so mad. And if I do, I have to give away 2 PS5s, Yeezy Slides, and Pro Max 15, and the Xbox 360. Okay, guys. Sorry if you hear like a little bit of like skin. Guys, sorry about the background. I'm on vacation. I'm in Miami right now. And yeah, to celebrate New Year's with my family, because some of them already live over here. So yeah, I live in Los Angeles, so I had to fly here. I forgot like how many hours it took. I'm mistaken. I'm not from Los Angeles. Las Vegas. What the flip? Alright guys. Sorry, my little brother is over here. Stop, Kenzo. I meant to say cable. Cable. Cable, move out the way. Cable! Come on, let's play! Guys, let's have some little Mario. Because I'm a little bit blind. Mabel! Doggy! Come here. Stop. Alright guys, Mabel! Anyways. 1, 2, 3. Guys, sorry, that was my brother Cable. Mabel, stop biting me! Guys, I'm sorry, my dog keeps biting me. And it's a boy. Maple, stop! Guys, I'm sorry. Maple keeps biting me, so sorry if I start. Oh my god, guys! I have to like pause this video real quick because he just sharded. Oh my god, hold on, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. My dog Maple! Let me just tell my mom something real quick. Mom, can you get Maple before I smack him? Anyways. Guys, I don't want to play no more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye! And Happy New Year's! Bye! Peace out, bro. Shaka!